Today we have the Ion Base thing and the Spider Knight. Now, we're going to open one first. It's this one.
Pull. Help me pull. You pull that side.
So, this is the person, and this is actually where this eye thing goes. It's kind of tricky to put on. So, this is actually it. So now we're going to get the whole thing out. And this is the airplane. So we're gonna put the alien inside the ship. So the aliens inside the ship. We have these very cool missiles that snap in here. And then that's this. And it makes noise. And,
Go!
and the missiles shoot with the black button. So now we're going to do the Spider Knight.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
That's the spider. When it moves its legs. So don't.
That Spider Knight has some really cool armor.
So there's the Spider Knight. So that's the thing. That's all for the video. Bye. So.